If you have a spa that's higher than your pool, you may have some situations where the pool is off and then you'll see that the spa water drains back into the pool. Here's how I fix it. You will need some oil filter pliers or what they call PVC pliers, as well as some magic lube. If your pool is currently running, be sure to shut that off as well. Locate the spa return valve. It's going to look something like this. Now we're going to take our pliers and then remove this cap right here. Make sure to turn it counterclockwise and then remove the spring. You may hear some pressure relief as water runs through the pipes, so I'm just waiting in between, and then I unscrew it fully, remove the spring, remove this other part that's inside. With the stuff out of the way, I checked this. This looks pretty clean. Yeah, these parts are all clean. The culprit is when you look in here. Do you see those particles hanging around over there? Those particles over there? Yeah, we gotta clean those out because otherwise this valve stays open and then the spa ends up draining back into the pool because now you're letting some water leak. The whole idea is you want to have a tight seal between this pipe here and then of course that, so there should be no debris clogging that up. So to clean that debris out, I use chopsticks. I have disposable chopsticks laying around because I'm Asian, haha. And then I'm gonna fish out those particles. Just make sure that they're totally gone. Oh yeah. And this repair is interesting because I've received quotes between $140 and $200 just to do this. Crazy, right? Alright, so I've cleaned up the valve to the best of my ability. Now we need to apply some magic lube. So it essentially works like this. When it's on, it pushes this valve back, and then when it's off, it extends itself all the way like this. So that's where if there's debris in the middle, then you have an issue, and the spa water drains back into the pool. We will now apply some magic lube. Just put some on your finger like so, and then just rub it around the edge of this thing. Get it all lubed up. And then we want to look here. We got the ring here, so we want to apply the lube around the ring as well. Okay, so that's lubed up. This is lubed up. We're ready to go back. It also makes sense to lube this area right here. So if you have some magic lube, just smear it on the edge here. And then you'll have everything covered. Like this. And then you take this part, just put it right in there. And take the spring, shove that right in there as well. And then lastly, take this and then squeeze it all together. It should go in nice and easy. And then we're going to take our oil filter wrench, turn, time to turn the pool back on. Check around this area, just make sure there are no leaks. You can feel the water running through this, so it is working as expected. So now all should be well, and when you turn off the pool later on, the water should remain inside your spa. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, comment, just let me know what you think, and that's it. Enjoy your pool, and I hope to see you next video.